we have built a plugin that can generate an entire new design system according to your brand guidelines. And you can even fix an existing file. You can assign all the specific local styles to each and every element in just a single click. So we'll quickly run through the plugin. So the plugin name is Phaie. As I said, that you can do one of the two things. Firstly, let's build a new design system. We can change colors according to our preference. Let's in the secondary one. Okay, we'll keep the neutrals intact. We can even delete any color we want. We can add any palette. Same goes for typography. We have a wide range of fonts that you can choose from. Then comes the border radius, spacing, grids. You can change this is dynamic, and shadows. And additionally, you'll get a component kit fully variabilized with all the variants that we have generated. So this is a very well versed component kit. You'll just hit on generate, and within a couple of seconds you can see the entire library is being generated. I'll just close the plugin for a second and I'll just show you. Yes, so this was all the things that we have generated. Here's the component kit that I was talking about. Here are all the styles hidden. So these are very wisely segregated according to user's brand guidelines. User can obviously change them. Now coming to the interesting part, the existing. So let's pick an existing file. As you can see that there are already some values that we have generated that must have been assigned. Now if I have to change them, or if let's say I have to assign the values, because in this specific primary button the values are not assigned, or the local style of color is not assigned. It should be primary color or whatever the name is. So I'll just select this frame. I'll hit on the plugin. I will say fix an entire page, fix a frame, and in just a couple of seconds it will analyze the entire frame and detect the primary, secondary, and all the colors for me. So just for the sake of this, this was the screen that was selected. My primary color should be green, and that's what it selected here. Secondary is obviously a white shade. Then a very interesting thing, there are many plugins out there who can actually just say that this is the missing style and just go ahead and correct it. But what we are doing is we are giving a feature to highlight. So you can actually highlight which of the component that is specific assigned to this hex code, and then you can go on to fix it. Same goes for the typography. So it detected that this particular frame has two typographies. One is Jakarta, this is plus Jakarta, and the other is SF Pro Text. And the same goes for this. You can actually highlight. So if you can see that it highlighted this specific font where it is being used, and I can just go ahead and fix it. Since now that I have fixed it, you can see that it has been assigned a specific value. So now I can do the same for an entire file. I can either choose a frame or an entire file, and this saves me a lot of time. Definitely a couple hours of grunt work is saved in just a couple of seconds. Thank you.